Welcome. If you're eager to get a head start on Instagram's latest features, joining the Beat program Early Access is the perfect way to do it. This program lets you explore new tools and updates before they're released to the public, giving you a unique advantage to stay ahead in your Instagram game. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to join Instagram's Beat program Early Access right from your app. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account because this feature is tied to your profile. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, look to the top right corner of your profile page and tap the three horizontal line menu icon. This will open a side menu with various options related to your account settings and features. From the menu, find and tap on the option labeled Early Access to Features. This section is where Instagram offers users the chance to try out new functionalities before they become widely available. Once you're inside the Early Access section, you'll see a toggle switch next to Join the Beat program. Simply toggle this switch on to enroll yourself in the program. That's it. After toggling on Join the Beat program, you're officially part of Instagram's Early Access group. You'll start receiving updates and new features as they roll out, allowing you to experiment and provide feedback that helps shape Instagram's future. Remember, being part of this program means you might encounter features that are still in testing, so things could change or improve over time. It's a great opportunity to be among the first to experience Instagram's innovations and share your thoughts with the community. So, open your Instagram app now and follow these easy steps to join the Beat program Early Access. Stay ahead, explore new possibilities, and make the most out of your Instagram experience.